Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Miri Krupkin, and today we'll be making a model of the carbon atom. We will need 2 papers, markers or pens, 3 colors of Play-Doh or clay. Let's begin with writing the title on the top, Carbon Atom. Did you know diamonds are built from carbon atoms? The graphite in your pencil is made from carbon atoms, and our body is made from 18% carbon atoms. Let's start drawing our atom. Let's draw the nucleus as a circle, right in the middle of our paper. This will be the nucleus of the atom, to house the protons and the neutrons. Next, let's draw 2 rings around the nucleus. These are the electron shells, to house the electrons. Did you know? Carbon is the 4th most abundant element in the universe. Let's start making our protons. I chose the color orange for protons, and I'm gonna make 7 balls. 6 balls for protons in the nucleus, and 1 more for our legend. The protons have a positive charge, and they go inside the nucleus. The number of protons in the nucleus determines the atom identity. Every carbon atom has exactly 6 protons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need 2 more. 6 protons and 1 more for the legend. Let's put our 6 protons into the nucleus. Now, let's make our neutrons. I chose the color blue for neutrons. And I'm going to make 7 balls. 6 balls for the neutrons in the nucleus, and 1 more for our legend. The neutrons have no charge, and they act like the glue that holds the protons together inside the nucleus. Six neutrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 for the legend. Let's put the neutrons into the nucleus. If you're having troubles making a round ball, this is how you do it. Put the clay between your hands and rub it together. This is a little bit elongated, so squish it a little. And here you got it, a round ball. Finally, let's make our electrons. I chose the color yellow for the electrons. And I'm going to make 7 balls, 6 balls for the electrons in the electron shells, and 1 more for the legend. The electrons have a negative charge, and they spin around the nucleus. Six electrons, and 1 more for the legend. Let's place the electrons in the electron shells. 2 electrons go in the first shell. 4 more electrons go in the second shell. Here we go, 6 electrons. Let's squish them into place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 protons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 neutrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. Don't forget the legend: protons, neutrons, electrons. Let's add the legend text to explain what each color means. Next to the orange, I will write 6 protons. Next to the blue, I will write 6 neutrons. Next to the yellow, I will write 6 electrons. This is our carbon atom. Thank you for joining me today and making a model of the carbon atom together. Post a photo of your atom model in the comments below and subscribe to learn more chemistry. Stay for more. We don't have to stop here. Let's add more details. Let's decorate our title. I'm making the title thicker. What are you gonna add to your title? You can make it thicker, you can add color, you can add little sparkles. Let's add an element square on the top right here. Let's add the atomic number 6. Let's add the chemical symbol, capital C. Let's add the element name, carbon. Let's add atomic mass, 12. Let's put this away, make some space. Now let's add a square. The way I do it, add 2 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. Now connect them. Let's write down the details. This is the atomic number. Why is the atomic number of carbon 6? Because carbon has 6 protons in its nucleus. This is the chemical symbol. This is the element name. This is the atomic mass. Why is the atomic mass 12? Because carbon has 6 protons and 6 neutrons. What else can we add? Where can we find carbon in nature? Diamond is made out of carbon. Let's draw a diamond. We start with a trapeze shape. This is the top of the trapeze and here's the bottom. Now let's add an upside down triangle. Let's connect the top corner to the bottom corner. Let's do the same on the other side. Our diamond is almost complete. Let's add a small triangle right here. Here we go. We got our diamond. Now let's add some sparkles. You can add plus signs. Now you can make them a bit thicker if you want. Now we have a sparkling diamond. Where else can we find carbon? How about in the graphite of a pencil? That part is the graphite. Let's draw a pencil. Start with drawing a triangle, but don't close it. Now let's add the long body of the pencil. Let's close the pencil and cap it with an eraser, like so. Now let's add a little flower pattern at the bottom, like this. Let's connect it with the top. Don't forget your graphite, it's right here. And let's add a little squiggly line Here we go. We have a pencil with a graphite. Like and subscribe to learn more chemistry. Stay for more. What is still missing from our model? We can add the charge to our carbon model. All of our electrons are negatively charged. So let's add a minus sign. All of our protons are positively charged. So let's add a plus sign. Neutrons don't have any charge. They are neutral. Here you go. We've got our negative charges and positive charges. If you can't add your charge right now, wait for your model to dry and add your charge tomorrow. Let's add our charge to the legend as well. A minus for the electrons, a plus for the protons. Neutrons stay neutral. No charge for the neutrons. Together, the carbon atom is neutral. We finished our model. Here's our carbon atom model. Loved making this model? Get my new book to learn more about the atom structure. But which cover should I use for my new book? The blue one or the yellow one? Vote in the comments. Get my new book to learn more about the atoms, protons, electrons, and neutrons. That's all for today. Like and subscribe to learn more chemistry. See you next time.